Hello everyone, my name is Prashanti, and today I will be walking you through an exciting topic that covers many of the smart technology we use daily, that is neural networks. Uh, from YouTube recommendations to disease predictions, neural networks are the secret behind intelligent systems. Let's dive in. What is neural networks? A neural network is a machine learning algorithm that mimics the human brain. It learns from data and makes predictions or decisions. Just like our brain has neurons that send and receive signals, right? A neural network has nodes that receive input, process it, and pass it forward. As it gets trained on more data, it becomes better and better at recognizing patterns, whether it's identifying a face in a photo or translating languages or predicting stock prices. Neural networks are the core of deep learning, which is a subfield of machine learning. You take a real world example like think of a spam filter. It does not have a list of rules. It just learns from past emails and decides whether a new email is a spam or not. Next, layers in neural networks. Let's break down how a neural network works layer by layer. First, input layer. This is where the futures go in like age, salary, or pixel values and image. In this video, you can see how the layers will be connected. In the input layer, we have only one layer. In the input layer, it takes only input from the user. It does not processing any data in the input layer. Next, hidden layer. These are the heart of the network. Each network applies weights and activation functions like ReLU, sigmoid, or softmax to process the input. Here we see have multiple hidden layers, right? In input layer and output layer we will have only one layer, but in hidden layers we have multiple. That means we based on our data set we can take multiple hidden layers. That means one, two, or three, or so on. Based on our data sets, it's all about our choices. In hidden layer we will take input from the input layer and processing all the data in the hidden layer only and gives the output to the output layer. Next, output layer. This layer gives us the result. For example, predicting whether an image contains a dog or a cat. Next, we will consider a real world example. When you are unlocking your phone using face recognition, the network processes pixel values across layers to match your face with stored data. Next, we have types of neural networks. Not all neural networks are the same. Let's explore a few types. Feed forward neural networks. The simplest way, data flows one way only. That means no looping. That means only forward way. That does not comes into the backward. Next, convolution neural networks. It is great for image processing. It is used in Instagram filters, facial recognitions, etc. Next, recurrent neural networks designed for sequential data like text or time series. It is used in Siri or Google Assistants. Next, radial bias function network used in pattern recognition problems. Next, GANs. They are creative. They generate images, music, or even fake voice. For example, have you seen AI on Instagram or fake celebrities videos that GANs at work? We will discuss types of neural networks in deeper into the further video. Next, installation. Before you begin coding, you need to have Python 3.7 plus installed. I recommended you to install Jupyter Notebook or VS Code or Google Colab. You can install necessary packages like this pip install TensorFlow Keras. This command installs TensorFlow and Keras. The two libraries will be used to build the neural networks. Next, neural networks training process. Here, how training a neural network works step by step. Installation. The network start with the random weights. Forward pass. Input flows through the layers to generate output. Next, loss function. Calculates the error between the prediction and actual result. Back propagation. The network adjusts weights to reduce the error. Optimizer. Algorithms like ADAM or SGD helps minimize loss. Approaches. Each complete pass through the dataset. For example, if you take a real world analogy, it's like learning math. If you try making a mistake, check the answer and learn that's exactly whether the network's done. Next, if we see a Keras code example, now let's look at Simple multi-class classification model using Keras. First, from Keras.model import sequential. We will import sequential from Keras.models. Next, import dense from Keras.layers. Next, we assign sequential to the model. Sequential means create a linear stack of layer. Next, model.add dense 64 input underscore dimension is equals to 4 activation equals to redo. That means 64 neurons, 4 inputs, relay activation function. Next, model.add dense 3 activation softmax. That means output 3 probabilities for 3 classes. Next, model.compile optimizer Adam loss categorical underscore cross entropy matrix accuracy. Steps sets up the optimizer loss function and matrix. Let's say we are classifying flowers into three species. The model learns based on four input features like petal size, sepal length, etc. Next, we discuss about the applications of the neural networks. Neural networks are used in many industries, both brain stimulation, fraud detection in banks, YouTube and TikTok recommendation, disease predictions like cancer or diabetes, voice assistants like Alexa and Siri, human robot interaction, email spam detection. If you see the Netflix recommendations or YouTube or Instagram recommendations, it is all based on your watch history. It is all powered by the neural networks. Next, conclusion. To conclude, neural networks are the backbone of modern AI. With the rise of data, their role is only becoming more important from healthcare to entertainment. Whether you are designing an app or solving a real world problem, knowing how neural network works gives you a powerful edge. Next, thank you. Thanks you so much for your attention.